explorers, it's a wonderful day. Let's learn about animals that start with T along the way. T's for tiger, mighty and bold.